Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to post a team conversation with high importance on Microsoft Teams using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. We also need to have access to the desktop application Microsoft Teams. Now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office. Go to Microsoft Teams. Let's just wait for the application to load. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left hand side navigation menu, go to Teams, go to a channel. Let's just go to social media, go to new conversation and expand. And now before we do anything, let's just go to the exclamation mark, click on this to mark as very important. This will be sent with high importance to all the members within this channel in the team itself. I'll just say this is very important. Let's add a subject. If we wish to, we can tag members and so on. So we can now send this. And there we go, important, the subject, what the conversation is about, and this will be sent to all the members and broadcasted to every individual in the team conversation and in the channel. So we can now quit Microsoft Teams. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.